Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Fleetwood Frontier 36 SS. So the Fleetwood Frontier is an awesome Class A diesel pusher. It's one of the newest diesel pushers on the market today. I love the front headlight design. Very Zelda inspired. It looks good. It's 35 feet 4 inches, has a 340 horsepower Cummins engine, 700 pound-feet of torque, kick-ass American and awesome. Coming on down the side here, this sits on an XCR chassis, which is raised rail. Because of that, you're able to get this awesome slide-out storage tray. Double doors, really awesome and nice. But this motorhome is even more better on the inside. This motorhome is beautiful. So right up front here, we'll talk about this boring stuff first. Swivel seats, Freightliner chassis, telescoping steering wheel, air ride suspension. Bunk over the cab right there, not that impressive this is. Right here, so many people are working from home, working on the road. Right here we have a little office setup or whatever. Show the theater seats as I make this a dinette.
All right, everybody, look at this beautiful theater seating here. Both ends do recline and they are powered. And here we have...
Look at the kitchen. Beautiful. Solid surface countertop, farmhouse sink, residential refrigerator, very nice. And then look at this. When you do have guests over, bada bing, bada boom, you do have spare chairs, and this now becomes a 4-person dinette. And then when you're done with it, all you gotta do is pinch this at the bottom, bam, slide it back in, and it's an office again. Not only that, this motorhome is a bath and a half. So right there, you can see that it does have the half bath. The master bedroom back here is on a slide out, and it does have a tilt-up bed. Look at all this storage. Wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe. They even got storage behind the television. And you need a place to do laundry. There you go. You got your landry right there. Whirlpool side by side. And then to wrap it all up, you have a huge master bathroom. Nice one-piece fiberglass shower with a seat inside. Yes, check it out. Very nice, beautiful bowl sink right there. And a porcelain toilet right there in an excellent placement. That is what you call a prime poop position. But thanks so much, guys. That's the Fleetwood Frontier. Do me a huge favor, comment down below. Let us know if you like the Frontier, if you don't like the Frontier. Also, if you're interested in seeing this full video, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is the motorhome that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.